Before we get into this week's video, I wanted to let you guys know about a super easy way that you can grow your Amazon wholesale business in under 3 minutes per week. And so that is going to be by subscribing to my newsletter, which is going to be in the description below. It's called the Amazon Wholesale Newsletter. And once a week, I send out an email to over 2,000 people that includes just one super actionable, super easy to implement tip that can really help you scale your wholesale business a lot quicker. So if you're interested in signing up for that newsletter, like I said, the link is going to be in the description below. And with that said, let's get right into this video. This year at ASD, there was only 3 things that we focused on, and we had a very successful show as a result. So I'm going to share with you exactly what those 3 things were, but before we get into this video, if you wouldn't mind taking a quick second, like the video, subscribe for more videos just like this, and now I will tell you exactly the 3 things that we learned this year that we implemented for the first time that made this a much more successful show. So those 3 things, the first one is that the more people you know in the community, really the more you're going to be able to do at trade shows like this. So if you're going to go to a trade show, really what you want to do is find out all the other Amazon sellers that are going to that same show and network with them before the show. Because I mean, at ASD this year, we had one seller in particular introduce us to a new supplier. We placed a new order with that supplier within about 20 minutes. And then that same seller brought me a group buy earlier this week, another order that we just split. So that goes to show that when you know people in the community, it's way easier to grow your business. The second one is, so at ASD this year, we only bought from 3 new suppliers, but those 3 new suppliers have the potential to possibly double our business if we were to really focus on these 3 suppliers. So the point in saying that is really, it comes down to quality over quantity. You want to focus on finding really, forming relationships with a handful of really good new suppliers as opposed to focusing on really contacting as many as you possibly can. It comes down to quality over quantity pretty much every time. And then the third thing is that when you see a deal, you've got to be ready to pull the trigger. All right. And at ASD, the best deals go really quickly. So when you see a good opportunity, if you buy it right there on the spot, that means you got to know your numbers. And that's also going to show the supplier that you're serious, that you're there to do business. So they're not going to look at you as just some other Amazon seller anymore. They look at you as someone who's there to do business, who's serious, who's placed an order, who you can most likely do more business with in the future. So that was a super short video, but I just wanted to give you those 3 quick tips. We implemented those, and like I said, we had a very successful show, probably our best one so far. So I hope that was helpful. Be sure to follow me on all the social media platforms. I'm on Twitter at GanamCorey, but I'm on every other platform at Corey Ganem. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.